Hello everyone. In this video, we will be seeing how we can solve LeetCode problem number 9. The difficulty level of this problem is easy and the problem is called palindrome number. So let's start by reading the question. The question is basically just a statement. Um, Given an integer x, return true if x is a palindrome and false otherwise. So before uh, jumping into the solution, let's first understand what is a palindrome. Palindrome is basically, you can say, a string that when reversed, uh, it is it reads the same. So let's take mom for example. Mom. When we reverse each and every letter of it, like when we make the last letter first, second letter it would stay in its place, and the first letter last, it still reads as mom. So that is a palindrome. Similarly, if we'll see the first example here, 1 to 1, if we'll reverse this, it would still be 1 to 1. So it is again a palindrome. Let's see example number 3, 10. When we'll reverse these two, the individual characters, individual digits here, so it would read as 0 and 1. So it is not a palindrome. I hope you got the concept here. So the only problem here is x is an integer, and if you can see the constraints here, it can be negative as well. Okay, so what we'll do is, in the solution, we'll first store this x as a string in this old pal variable. Now in our next statement, we'll split it and so what first we stored the string in a new variable called old pal. After that, we have splitted it so that each and every digit or each and every character, it gets it becomes an individual element of an array. Once that is done, we would reverse this array, and once the reversal is done, we'll join it back. So that would give us the reversed string form of that integer that we are getting from the problem. Okay, and once that integer is formed, we'll compare it with the old palindrome, that old pal, or the initial string that we created out of this number. So if the reversed um, if the reversed value is equal to the old value, true will be stored in res. If not, false will be stored in res. So after that, we'll just simply return res, or we can do this. We can say this and copy this, and we can directly return the solution from here. Both of them are a valid solution, and let's run it. Okay, I forgot to return the rest, that is why it is coming as like the test cases fail. Yeah, you can see all the test cases have passed now. So it's pretty simple. All you have to do is store that integer that you have gotten. You have to store it as string in a variable. Now use this variable to split it so that you get all the elements separately in an array. Then you need to reverse this array and then join it back. So this will give you the reverse string, and you need to compare this reverse string with the actual stringified form of the integer, and that will give you the result if it's a palindrome or not. And we are specifically doing this because there is a possibility that we would have negative numbers as well. So yep, thanks for watching.